Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making traditional Bulgarian breakfast sandwiches. These grilled cheese sandwiches are also called cheese princesses due to their similarity with the prince meat sandwiches. They are very easy and delicious, guys. Anyone can make at home. And if you need a tasty and warm breakfast, these feta cheese sandwiches can save you a lot of time. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. For this recipe, you are going to need bread slices, no matter what type of bread, but I'm using sour bread today. If you are not into sour bread, guys, you are more than welcome to use any kind of bread you like. We are also going to use feta cheese, but the traditional recipe uses Bulgarian white cheese called sirene. It's salty and crumbly like feta cheese. It goes well with eggs. And other option is to use cheddar cheese or Monterey Jack cheese. And for this recipe, I'll be using feta cheese. Next, crack your eggs in a small bowl. Then in a medium bowl, mix very well the crumbled feta cheese and the eggs. Next, add some dried parsley and black pepper. Then mix until slightly smooth, leaving some cheese chunks. Once everything is well combined, set aside. We're gonna move on to the next step. Spread the butter on the bread slices. Next, line a large baking sheet pan with a parchment paper and arrange the bread slices. Next, we are going to spread generously with feta cheese mixture, dividing it evenly between the slices. Once all the sandwiches are covered with the feta cheese mixture, we are going to bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. What's going to happen here, guys, is the sandwiches bakes, the butter will melt into the bread and makes the bread crispy toast. The sandwiches are out of the oven, guys. They have baked to golden. They are so puffy on top. They look so delicious. Look how puffed they are, guys. And look at the bottom. They are baked to golden toast. If you like this recipe, let me know in the comments what you think about it. Subscribe, like, ring that bell to receive new recipes every time I post a new video. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye.